A new employee joins the company, but policies are missed, videos are skipped, and documents are submitted late. HR keeps following up again and again. This is the problem with traditional onboarding. So we built a smarter onboarding flow inside our HRMS. This is the HR panel, where HR selects mandatory policies, training videos, and required documents. When the employee logs in, a guided onboarding pop-up appears. First, policies must be read and marked complete. Only then are training videos enabled. After watching the videos, the employee uploads the required documents. If any step is left incomplete, the pop-up appears again on the next login. Once all steps are completed, the pop-up never shows again. Less follow-ups. Better compliance. That's smart onboarding with our HR.